Now look at what we have here, division of binary numbers using long division. Now I have 1 to 1 in base 3 divided by 12 in base 3. 12 in base 3. So I had to find the multiplication of this number in base 3. Now I had 12 times 1 is 12 in base 3. 12 times 2 is what? 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 in base 3 is 11. So I write 1, remainder 1. 2 times 1 is what? 2. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. And that's 10 in base 3. That's how I got this. So if I'm to do times 3, 3 times 2 is what? 6. In base 3, that is 20. 3 goes in 6 2 times. That's 20. So I have 0. 3 times 1 is what? 3. Plus the remainder, that is 5. And that is what? 5 in base 3 is 12. Because we have 3 in 5 ones and then remainder 2. So that's 12. That's how I got this. So now let's come back here and divide. So we'll be considering the multiplication, which is the inverse of what? Division. We are going to use this. So that's the division. Now 12 in 12 is what? 1. 1 times 12 is what? 12. The next thing is minus. If we minus this, we get 0. We bring 1 down. 12 in 1 is 0. We multiply back, we have 0, 0. When we minus, we get 1. We know it won't go, so we bring down 0. Decimal point after bringing that down. 12 in 10 is still not possible. Still 0. Multiply back, we have 0, 0. Because if we do this, we have a 10. Now we add 1, 0, bring 0. So now let's look at it. We multiply this by 12, we get 0, 0. 0 times 12 is 0, 0. Minus, we get 10 after minusing. Says 12 in 10 is not going to go, so we put 0 here. We bring down 0. 12 in 100. 12 in 100 is 12 because the closest number to 100 is 12. 1 is 1 and 100, so we write 12 in 100 is 1. Multiply, we have 12. If we are going to minus this, we borrow 1. Whatever you borrow becomes the base, which is 3. So we have 3. Then from 3 we borrow 1, becomes 3 here. So we have 2 left here. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So now, what do? We bring down 0. Now 12 in 1, 10. The closest number is 2. 12 times 2 is 1, 1. Now 2 is the answer. 12 in 1, 10 is 2. Multiply back. 2 times 12 gives you what? 1, 0, 1. If you minus this, we do the same thing. 0 minus 1, impossible. We borrow, that's 3. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. We have 0 left here. 0 minus 0 is 0. And this minus this is 0. So we keep on going. We'll still be getting answers. So I want to end it here. We have, this is 4 decimal place. So now we can say 12 divided by 12 base 3 equals what? 10 plus 0, 0, 1, 2 in base 3. So if you want to solve this, the first thing you do is what? Make ready your multiplication of numbers from 1 to whatever number you'll be needing. After doing that, you get the multiplication ready, then you work with your division. So the opposite of multiplication is division. It's as simple. These are final answer 10.0012 in base 3. You can try any method, you still get the same answer, and this is faster. This is faster.